Cats. Would you like to spend a whole day with candy, cookie, and pudding? Choose your favorite time of the day and begin playing to complete your stickers album. Good morning! Choose an activity. Ring! Time to wake up. Look carefully at the time shown in the box and move the hands of the alarm clock so that they show the same hour. When you're finished, press the green button to check if you did it right. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Good! Another sticker for your collection. Collect your reward. Did you know breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Kitty cats love a good breakfast. First, help them cut these tasty fruits. Now prepare a nice bowl of milk with cereal. Now you only have to help kitty cats to lay the table and enjoy breakfast. Well done! Enjoy your meal! Good! Another sticker for your collection. Collect your reward. After breakfast, it's important to brush one's teeth. Can you help Candy? Give her the toothbrush and the toothpaste. Okay, Now drag the tube to put the paste on perfect. Now brush Candy's teeth until they are clean. Drag the glass of water to Candy. Then move your tablet to rinse her mouth. There! Now Candy's teeth are very clean. Here you have your sticker. Collect your reward. Oh boy, the room is a mess. Before going out, the kitty cats must arrange and clean it. Put the toys in the box, the pillows on the bed, and the fishbowl on the table. Now we have to sweep the floor. Take the broom. It's almost done. There's only one detail left. The pictures are crooked. Touch them to make them straight. Great! The room is so beautiful now. Congratulations! Great! You won a sticker. Collect your reward.